What's up? What it is? What it do? It is your girl Rita Smashes. I am back with another banger. As y'all can tell by the emotions, by the expressions I meant to say, this is a celebration. Yes, I said this is a celebration. Actually, this is a block party for my girl Cuzzo AB, aka Ashley. What's up, Cuzzo? I am here. I have arrived. This is your favorite Cuzzo in the building. If you are new to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have not hit that notification bell, please do so you can be notified when I post a new video. Also, check out that coldest water bottle link to get your 10% discount off your very first purchase. What's up, y'all? I am here. I am here. So, in honor of Cuzzo, of my Cuzzo, Miss Ashley, we are gonna do some chicken legs, some 2-time spicy chicken legs. I do have the black one, guys. I know that a lot of people are doing the pink one. They have the red one. I have the black one. So we are gonna douse these chicken legs in this sauce for my cuz. That's right. And I know when y'all heard when I walked in the party, y'all heard them say, "This is your favorite Cuzzo." Hey, cause I'm her favorite Cuzzo. Don't nobody tell me that, but no. Nah, I'm cool. I'm playing, y'all. But anyway, yes, I said this is a celebration, and we are gonna dip these chicken legs in this sauce, guys. This is a challenge. Somewhat. This is a challenge, guys. So if you do not have this sauce, it's okay to use a different sauce. Tam was like, "What up, Tam?" You can use any kind of sauce you want, but if you have this sauce, she's requesting that you use this sauce. This challenge is not time. It don't matter how many legs you eat, long as you douse them and you eat them for Cuzzo, all right? We is repping Cuzzo today, okay? So I'm gonna go and dip these things in here like that. And y'all, make sure you get it wet. Cause right now we ain't playing no game. Okay? We representing. We getting down with the get down. And I'm finna be in here juking for my Cuzzo. I ain't playing no game. Y'all, if y'all don't watch Cuzzo AB, I don't know what y'all doing. Like, when I go to binge watch on YouTube, she is one of my favorite choices. I mean, I remember when I started YouTube, guys. Like, she was like my biggest inspiration. Like, she is so full of life and positivity. And it's like, it's so hard not to watch her. Like, I have to have a dose of her at least every week, guys. Because she enlightens you. She encourages you. She is just the ish. I ain't gonna curse y'all, but she's the ish, okay? She's the ish on top of ish, alright? So yeah, y'all, I got my chicken legs dipped in that saucy sauce. And by the way, this is her theme. So this is how we celebrating her, okay? So I want y'all to get y'all chicken legs, get y'all sauce, whatever sauce you might want to choose. And let's celebrate Cuzzo. Cause it's a celebration. Clap, clap, bravo. Bravo. But let's go on and get into this bite. Family, how y'all doing though? All the Cuzzos in the building. I'm so glad I was able to join the block party. And when Tam announced it, I knew I was going to be able to make it. You know? Because though, you worked it, baby. You worked it. I had to come through. And what would the block party be without your favorite cousin, huh? Oh, y'all, it's good. But yeah, guys, like, when I ordered this sauce, I got the red and the black. And like, the red is hotter than this. This is spicy too, don't get me wrong. But they're red hot though. Oh. And yes, I'm licking my fingers. I forgot to tell y'all. Hold up just a second. I forgot to let you guys know that if you drink something, this is how we doing it. Okay? Rip your cuz old. Rip your cuz old. Rip your cuz old. Yeah. So that's the rule, y'all. And Cham say, basically, if you miss this party, you miss the hottest part of the year. You tripping. Oh, y'all saw that Badoo? And that's what Cuz was saying for the Badoo. That little Badoo just flew out my mouth a little bit. Woo. But y'all, what I ain't gonna do, I ain't about to be no chicken, though. I ain't about to be no chicken. I'm finna drink a pot of, I'm about to try to eat all these. YouTube family, I want to thank y'all for sticking around. All my new subbies, I love y'all just as much as my, you know, my old subbies. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Cause this is hot. Yeah, I promise when Ashley having a bad day, when Cuz having a bad day, I feel like something just truly got to be going on because she is so full of life, y'all. Like, I could say that over and over. Like, even if, like, you having a bad day, and you get on there and watch her, it's like, man, forget all that negative energy, man. Like, turn up. Turn up for life, you know, because you got life. You blessed. It's life is a celebration, no matter how you put it, you know. And she's real adamant about that, and you know, adamant about being blessed and being appreciative, you know, of little things and people. All that matters, guys. Words can really have a huge difference, make a huge difference in people's lives, man. Like, positive words, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's a big piece of chicken. Oh, and this is Church's, by the way. I never told y'all that, but this is Church's chicken. Church is still rocking. I don't care what nobody say. Church is still the go-to. Yeah, y'all come rock out with Cuzzo. I don't know where y'all at or what y'all doing, but get here, alright? And I'm a little late. Well, I'm talking noise, but I'm the favorite cousin, so I could be late, you know? You might well call me little big brother, cousin, alright? Mm-hmm. Ooh. Ooh, baby. Cause we duking it out. And I'm here to the end. As long as the Lord give me breath, I'm here with you and the rest of my YouTube family. I'm gonna keep doing it. Ain't no stopping us. Ain't no stopping us. Woo. We ain't gonna win nowhere. Hey. Woo. Mm. Cause let's take this party to the back, Ashley. Let's go. Y'all meet us in the back of the back. Cause we leaving from up here Everybody that's coming through, y'all meet us in the back. And then and until the next time, it's your girl Rita Smashes. I'll be back.